Rannakaitse iseenesest on kihiline ettevõtmine, et ta tegelikult, mõned ütlevad isegi, et algab vaenlase rannikust ja siis lõpeb meie enda rannikul ja mida kaugel me suudame siis potentsiaalselt vaenlast mõjutada enda rannikus, seda parem ta ju loomulikult on. Et see konkreetne üksus siin on suuteline laskma meie poolt valitud sihtmärke 100 kilomeetrite kaugusele ja see on päris piisav kaugus ja samas ka heidutus, kellele võiks mõlkuda mõtted meile pahalasena külla tulla.
So the whole system was designed in Norway. One missile weighs about 400 kilograms and its range is about 200 kilometers. During the exercise we are doing joint tasks and in my opinion it's on a high level, so the cooperation is great.
Mis on esmakordselt siis, kus meil on aktuaalne merepilt, päris live merepilt metsas, maastikul ja see on ühtlasi ka see, kus me siis toodame seda sihitamisinformatsiooni ja kontakte, mida siis Poola üksus simuleeritult hävitab.
Absolutely great. When I see here, I would even say that it's too comfortable for them. So Estonians, hospitality is absolutely against my training objectives. So I would like to really give them a hard time. But to be honest and more serious, we have plenty of interactions. We're facing new challenges concerning logistic, mission command systems, leadership, security issues, and absolutely great scenario. And we have a huge appetite to have more.